you guys, welcome to my channel. Here I am going to show you guys how to cut this lace off. Everybody questions this lace. Does it stay on? No. So I'm going to show you here how to cut that lace off. The lace is just on there for basically just for manufacture purposes. It actually helps when coloring the wigs to stick it to the mannequin head. But here I am, I put it on. You can kind of see where the lace is. It's super transparent, which is amazing. You can barely even see it. So make sure you clip your hair back. You don't want to cut any of that wig hair if you don't have to. So make sure that it's all clipped back. You don't necessarily have to cut your lace while it is on. You can also just cut it off, which I will show you after this as well. So here I go. So make sure that when you guys are cutting, you're using baby scissors. Here I'm using eyebrow scissors. They're really little. I like to use them for cutting. Make sure that you are cutting very close to the hairline, but not the actual hair itself. If you cut a couple of pieces, it's okay. Don't panic. So here I'm just trying to show you guys, I'm trying to tuck my hair back so I don't cut it. So I'm going to show you guys here taking it off and cutting the rest of the lace. I'm trying to get my camera angled so that you guys can see close enough. So here I am cutting the rest of the lace off, getting nice and close. There it is. Cut that last little piece. And let's check it out. Okay, so here you have it. The lace is cut. Very, very close. Let's put the wig on and take a peek at how it looks. Sometimes you might see a little bit of extra lace still that you might have missed that you need to cut. So let's put that wig cap back on. Again, you don't have to wear a wig cap. I'm only doing this because I think this is quicker for me to put the wig on, tuck my hair underneath, and also if I have to cut any more of the lace, I know that I'm not going to be cutting any of my own hair. Okay, there we have it. The wig is on. I'm just adjusting it to fit. So this wig is actually for a client, a customer that I am going to be shipping out, and she has requested for me to pre-cut the lace because a lot of people get very nervous cutting it, and that's totally okay. If you go on my online store, there is an option in the comments, and you can actually request for me to pre-cut the lace for you. So there's no stress there. So as you can see, I missed a little bit of lace, and I'm going to take the wig off and just cut that little bit extra off. I don't want my customer to freak out when she gets it if there's any extra lace, because I know she's not going to be gluing it down. So I'm going to cut that little bit more off for her, and then we're going to check it out and see how she fits. Okay, so one more thing, I also added an extra band for her that she wanted just for a little bit more security. You can also add that on in the comments box as well when you are doing your purchase. Look at that seamless wig. You would never be able to tell night and day. I cannot wait to see this on her. I'm so excited. She's actually going to make a trip to Leduc to come see me so that I can custom cut the wig on her. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe.